everybody. Today I have something to present to you. It's about advantages of chocolate that you never know before. Many people already know that there are many advantages of chocolate, such as creating a good emotion and could be said as a lovable gift. Although you already know about advantages of chocolate, you don't know how it originates. However, there are many advantages of chocolate that many people never know before. There are three main benefits of chocolate. They can relieve cough, protect you from the heart disease, cancer, and many diseases, and it also helps you to have a good emotion. First, there is research finding saying that cocoa that is made to chocolate comprises of theobromine, which affect to vagus nerve. Vagus nerve will affect the cough. Whoever that overeats the chocolate can be surely stopped from coughing. Second, advantage of chocolate is protecting from the cancer, heart disease, and many diseases. There are many research that found that there is the antioxidant in chocolate. It is phosphatidins. Moreover, phosphatidin is the well antioxidant, which is efficient more than vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene. Many times, which can disease inflammation of tissue, developing diabetes, protecting your eyes, stopping growth of cancer. So chocolate can protect you from the heart disease, the cancer, and many diseases. The third, making a good emotion. Many people already know that chocolate makes you to have a good emotion, but you don't know how it happened. There is the tryptophan, which is the important amino acid in chocolate. Tryptophan will control the serotonin, which is the nerve of emotion. And when body stimulates serotonin and serotonin will stimulate endorphin, then you will be relaxed and happy. In conclusion, all the information which I tell you is the benefit of chocolate to your health. I think chocolate is not only delicious but also has many benefits. And I believe that there are other information about chocolate that is still not discovered.